musical instruments around the world. The Dombra. The dombra is a beautiful string instrument. It is called the Queen of Kazakh instruments. It's got a pear-shaped wooden body with a long neck and 2 strings. Traditionally, the strings were made from sinew, but today, nylon ones are used. The dombra is an instrument with a long history. Many Kazakh families have at least one person who can play it. It is usually played on its own or used to accompany traditional songs. It sounds great as part of a band too. Some bands even use electric dombras to create music. The tin whistle. The tin whistle is a traditional Irish wind instrument that looks like a small flute. Today, it is made from a long, narrow brass tube with 6 holes and a plastic mouthpiece. Irish people have played the tin whistle since ancient times, and it is one of the most popular instruments in Irish traditional music. It is also called the penny whistle because in the past, many beggars used to play it in the streets for money. Today, it is played by many musicians and in many styles of music. The theme song of the 1997 film Titanic, My Heart Will Go On, features an Irish tin whistle.